Hi, my name is Aanchal Jane and I am a junior this year at Alchemist High School. A fun fact about me is that I love eating mac and cheese. Today we'll be making a gift bag for the holiday season. Let's get started. The materials that you're going to need to make these gift bags are a ruler, some sort of circular stencil. You can also use different kinds of containers or bowls of any sort. You also need a pair of scissors, some glue, liquid or stick works, a Sharpie, an eraser, and a pencil. And the last thing that you'll need is a gift bag. This can be an old one that you're just recycling, and it can be any color. For the first bag, we're going to be making a snowman. So go ahead and grab a sheet of white paper. Go ahead and draw 2 circles like this and cut them out. Your circles should look like this. It's okay if they're not perfect. Now that we have our 2 circles, make sure that one is smaller than the other. You want to grab your bag, making sure that the flap at the bottom is on the back so that you have a smooth canvas to work on. We're going to grab our liquid glue or stick glue, and you want to put a little bit of glue on the bottom right corner, and then you want to take your bigger circle and put it onto the bag. It's okay if you have some overlap here. We'll take care of that after the bag is done. So let this dry, and then you're also going to want to put the next one at a bit of an angle right here, and then take your smaller circle and put it on top. You can have a little bit of overlap here between the 2 circles. Now go ahead and grab some red paper. If you don't have red paper, you can use any color paper. And what we're going to do here is cut out a scarf for our snowman. So I'm going to grab my pair of scissors and cut 2 small rectangles, just like this, and cut this in half. And you want them to be similar sizes. Now you're going to take your scissors and very carefully cut little slits at one end of this rectangle. Be sure to ask for parent permission and guidance if you are young. And so now it should be like this. We're going to glue the rectangles at the top that does not have the slits. So I'm just gluing this like this. And then you want to grab your paper bag that you put the white circles on and lift up the top one a little and add a little bit of glue there. And then you want to slide your scarf into the bag. Now that we've glued on our scarf, we're going to grab our black marker. You can also use a black pen, and you're going to draw on a smile. Now to make our arms of our snowman, you want to grab some brown paper. You can also just use a brown marker, and you're going to want to cut a twig-like shape. So now that we have our snowman here, and now that we've also cut out our little twig hands, you want to glue in the hands like this, and you can always sneak it through a little, and you can position them and then glue them down. So this is what our bag should look like now with our twigs, the scarf, and the base of the snowman. The last thing that we have to do is use an orange sheet of paper and cut out one of the corners to make the nose of our snowman. The last thing that we have to do here is grab a pair of scissors and turn the bag around. Go ahead and cut off the excess that you had from our first snowman that we put down, and go ahead and cut off any excess that you may have. So this is what our final product looks like. You can also write up here, such as Merry Christmas or Happy New Year or whatever you would like. I hope you consider making this gift bag for the holiday season and brighten someone's day up. Be sure to continue to learn and grow and keep reading those books. Thanks for watching!